students, how are you? You are watching our learning website Learnvilla, and today I will explain you first unit of physical chemistry solution. Note down your copies. In this video lecture, I will explain you what is binary solution and classification of solution based on physical state of solute and solvent. Done. So first of all, note down the definition of solution in your copies properly. You know that a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition may be altered within certain limits. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition may be altered within certain limits. This is the definition of solution. Note down your copies properly. A solution is not a heterogeneous mixture. It is a homogeneous. Homogeneous means its composition is definite. It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition may be altered within certain limits. Clear है सभी students के लिए? So first of all, we will classify a solution based on physical state of solute and physical state of solvent. But before it, I will explain you about binary solution. So what is the meaning of binary solution? A solution having only one solute and one solvent is called binary solution. Is called binary solution. A solution having only one solute and one solvent is called binary solution. Suppose in this solution solute is B and the solvent is A, then such type of binary solution is called AB. It is considered as AB. It is a binary solution. A solution having only one solute and one solvent is called binary solution. For example, if we consider sugar in place of solute and water in place of solvent, then it will give aqueous solution of sugar. It will give aqueous solution of sugar. And what is the physical state of this resulting solution? Liquid. So how can we define solute and solvent in this binary solution? If both the components have the different physical state, then the component whose physical state is different to the resulting solution is called solute, while the component whose physical state is same to the resulting solution is called solvent. But if both solute and solvent have the same physical state, like if we are given alcohol, what is the physical state of alcohol? Liquid. And if we dissolve this alcohol in water, then it will give an aqueous solution of alcohol. An aqueous solution of alcohol. Aqueous solution of alcohol. So since in this binary solution both solute and solvent have the same physical state, then in this case how can we define solute and solvent? Dear students, in this case the component present in very small amount is called solute, while the other component present in excess amount is called solvent. And a solution having only one type of solute is called binary solution. One solute and one solvent, it is called binary solution like AB. So in 12th class NCERT syllabus, you are given some important type of binary solution. So in next topic, I will explain you about classification of solution based on physical state of solute and solvent. If we consider physical state of solute and solvent, then a binary solution can be classified into 9 categories. If we consider physical state of solute and physical state of solvent, then a binary solution can be classified into 9 categories. So look at the board and note down your copies. We will classify all 9 type of, we will explain all 9 type of solutions on the basis of physical state of solute and solvent. So those solutions which have liquid as solvent are called liquid based solution. Those solutions which have liquid as solvent are called liquid based solvent. Liquid based solvent. And what are the example of liquid based solvent? Suppose if we are doing solid, solute in solid state and solvent in liquid state, then such kind of solution is called solid in liquid solution. Solid in liquid solution. So dear students, what will be the example of solid in liquid solution? Its example is aqueous solution of sugar. Note down your copies. Aqueous solution of sugar. In this aqueous solution of sugar, sucrose or sugar present in solid state while the water exists in liquid state. Therefore, it is an example of a solution of solid in liquid. And the next type of solution is liquid based solution. We will discuss liquid based solution having solvent in liquid state. So next type of solution, liquid in liquid solution. Liquid in liquid solution. So what is the example of liquid in liquid solution? देखिए जरा अभी मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था इन बाइनरी सॉल्यूशन. What is the example of liquid in liquid solution? Its example is aqueous solution of alcohol. Aqueous solution of any alcohol. किसी alcohol को हम water में dissolve करते हैं. If we dissolve any alcohol in water, then it will give a solution which is called liquid in liquid solution. And third type of liquid based solution is gas in liquid solution, in which solute present in gaseous state while the solvent exists in liquid state. So such type of solutions are called gas in liquid solution. So what is the example of gas in liquid solution? All type of carbonated drinks. All type of carbonated drinks can be considered in this category. Gas in liquid solution. And the fourth kind of solution are the gas based solution. Those solutions having solvent in gaseous state. Those solutions having solvent in gaseous state are called gas based solution. These are called gas based solution. For example, solid in gas solution. Solid in gas. Suppose solute present in solid state and solvent exists in gaseous state, then such kind of solution is called solid in gas solution. What is the example of solid in gas solution? For example, camphor in air. For example, smoke. Dust particles in air. You can say that dust particles in air is the best example of a solution of solid in gas. Solid in gas solution. And the next type of solution having gaseous solvent is liquid gas solution. A binary solution in which solute present in liquid state while the solvent present in gaseous state. Such kind of solution is called liquid gas solution. And what is the example of liquid gas solution? Humidity in air. And what is the example of humidity in air? Like fog. It is a good example of liquid in gas solution. It is the good example of liquid in gas solution. Liquid in gas solution. Okay. And the next type of solution having gaseous solvent is gas in gas solution. A binary solution in which both solute and solvent present in gaseous state. Such type of solutions are called gas in gas solution. And what is the example of gas in gas solution? Mixture of airs. Mixture of gas, air, atmosphere, like a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen in air. Atmosphere, it is a good example of solution of gas in gas. It is a homogeneous mixture of different kinds of gas. Our atmosphere, is a good example of homogeneous mixture of different kinds of gas. And the seventh type of solution, if we consider solid as a solvent, then such type of binary solutions are called solid based solution. So what is the meaning of solid based solution? Those binary solutions which have solid as solvent are called solid based binary solution. For example, if we consider solid in solid, if both solute and solvent present in solid state, then such type of solution is called solid in solid solution. So what is the example of solid in solid solution? You can say all metal alloys. Yes, metal alloys like brass, bronze. All the metal alloys are the homogeneous mixture of different kinds of solids or metals in which the composition of these metals may be changed within certain limits. So what is the definition of solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition may be altered within certain limits. For example, solid in solid solution. So the example of solid in solid solution is metal alloys. And the next type of binary solution having solid as solvent, solid based solutions, binary solution is liquid in solid. So what is the example of liquid in solid solution? Those binary solutions in which solute present in liquid state while the solvent present in solid state. Solvent in excess amount and liquid in limited amount. Such kind of binary solution are called liquid solid binary solution. And what is the example of such type of solutions? You know about that amalgams. Amalgams are the good example of liquid solid solutions. What are amalgams? Amalgams are the alloys of any metal with mercury like NaHg, sodium amalgam. If we mix mercury with any metal, then it will give some specific type of alloys, and these specific type of alloys are called amalgams. And these amalgams are the good examples of a binary solution in which solute exists in liquid state while the solvent present in solid state. And the next type of binary solution is solid based binary solution in which solvent exists in solid state is gas in solid solution. What is the meaning of gas in solid solution? Those binary solution in which solute present in gaseous state while the solvent present in solid state. And such type of solutions are called gas in solid solution. So what is the example of gas in solid solution? If we pass any gas like nitrogen or oxygen on the surface of any transition metal like platinum, palladium or nickel, then hydrogen gas gets adsorbed on the surface of platinum. Suppose if we consider any transition metal, then all the transition metals have some free valencies on their surface. सभी transition metals की surface पर कुछ free valencies होती हैं. If we pass any gas on the surface of any transition metal like platinum, then any gas can be adsorbed on the surface of platinum. This process is called adsorption. So the adsorption of any gas on the surface of like hydrogen gas get adsorbed on the surface of platinum. Adsorption of any gas on the surface of platinum. On the surface of platinum. It is the example of a binary solution in which solute present in gaseous state while the solvent present in solid state. So these are the 9 different type of solutions. And these solutions are classified on the basis of physical state of solute and physical state of solvent. These are the binary solutions. And this classification can be done on the basis of physical state of solute and physical state of solvent. And similarly, a solution can also be classified on the basis of concentration. A binary solution can also be classified on the basis of concentration. So in our next lecture, I will explain you classification of solution based on concentration. Concentration पर based हम कुछ binary solutions को अपने next video lecture में discuss करने वाले हैं. Okay, thank you.